Hey everyone, today we're going to unbox the KV260 Vision AI Starter Kit. Here we got stickers, instruction manual, here is the board. The kit comes with the Vision Carrier card, which enables the camera model interface. And the board can easily fit into single hand. These are the board accessories kit. It comes with 12-volt power adapter, Ethernet cable, HDMI cable, and USB cable. It's a 13 MB autofocus RGB camera model with IAS connector. Here we got the 16 MB MicroSD card, and finally here a power adapter, 12 volt, 3 amps. It has interchangeable blades, can be used in any countries. Here is a SD card slot, Raspberry Pi 15-pin camera model connector, and JTAG connector, Ethernet port on the other side, 4 USB port, HDMI and display port. The next video will see how we can run the smart camera application. Stay tuned guys. Thank you.